Today we're thinking and discussing on reviewing the concept of fractions and mixed numbers and how we use addition, subtraction, and multiplication for all of those, and how we really look at them as similar concepts and we can combine our skills to easily solve them all. So that's the purpose of our review today. So when you think about the concepts of fraction and mixed number, we can really make them the same. And we can separate them at the same time. Your fraction is worth less than 1, your mixed number is worth more than 1. So in terms of doing your operations with the two of them, we can use some strategies to make them very similar. So you have your fractions, and we're going to be adding, subtracting, and multiplying them. And we're going to talk about how we remember the difference between those. Well, when we think about our mixed numbers by themselves, we're going to review and discuss how we can change these mixed numbers to improper fractions, and then they are exactly the same as our fractions, even when they are improper. So by reviewing our strategy of changing mixed numbers to improper fractions, that just eliminates finding new methods. We're going to solve all these problems just like they are fractions. Now, when we think about fractions, we have three operations that we are doing. We have adding and subtracting. And these two are sitting together right now because they are the exact same process in your setup. When you're given the problem, you have to have common denominators. You must make sure your denominators are the same. If they are not, you use your equivalent fraction skills to make your fractions the same. And both of those are solved the same way, except you add the numerator or subtract the numerator, and your denominator remains the same through the problem once you make it the same. Then, on the other side, we have multiplication. And this process is totally different. So it's important to remember to separate these operations in your addition and subtraction and your multiplication separately. Because the multiplication, we multiply across the numerator and we multiply across the denominator. So it's important for you to think about these strategies and then watch the next review videos to see how we are using our skills to solve addition and subtraction separate from multiplication, and also a reminder of how we are taking these mixed numbers and turning them into fractions so we can solve them just like any other fraction problem.